Gard mo!
Mga Gar, hindi ka na bala sa Founders Week.
O, naunahan mo pa, Kuya Gard.
Nawablay mo bitbit, wala pa man, di ba?
Ay, di mauna na lang, Kuya Gard. Ay, ready na pala tanan sa Founders Week?
Hi! Ano ka mo nga year?
Third year.
Hindi na ka mo sa Founders Week? Ready po sa ready.
Sa katugayon, ma-experience na magkidnamon ang LCCC Founders Week.
Ready na ka mo?
Today, Enang.
Sa Founders Week! Attention! Handa na ba lang ang tanan sa ika-56 Founders Week?
LCCC Founders Week is coming back.
Hopeful and stronger in this year.
LCCCX, heads up!
Let's feel each other's spirits.
We celebrate our founding anniversary.
Madamo ang activities ang preparar para mag-enjoy ang tanan. Oo, tanan. May partner man o kung wala.
Come and celebrate with us in our 56th founding anniversary this coming November 23 to 28.
Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get it.